The completion of the massive investment by Scottish Water is hugely significant for many of our customers. We've completed our biggest ever water infrastructure investment and are delighted that it will benefit almost 1 million people across the west of Scotland. In simple terms, the £235 million investment provides two-way connection between the drinking water networks in Glasgow, Ayrshire and East Ren Fisher. It hugely boosts the security of our water supply to hundreds of thousands of households. We started the investment back in 2015 in the Kilmarnock area, and the first two phases involved the installation of more than 30 miles of water mains in Ayrshire. This includes a new trunk main being installed across large swathes of the countryside, including Fenwick Moor, works to tunnel under major roads and railways, and the diversion of a river to enable the installation of the water main between the riverbed. We also built a sensory garden for school children using spare bits of pipe, and even discovered the remains of an early Neolithic structure believed to have been built more than 4,000 years BC by some of the earliest farmers in Scotland. We've more recently completed the third and final phase of our investment, and this involved the installation of almost 8 miles of new water mains in the southwest of Glasgow, running from Ibrox to a reservoir storage tank in the Parkhouse Darnley area. This phase includes the construction of 4 tunnels along the route of the new main, including one under the M8 waterway and the Glasgow Air railway line, which some children from nearby Ibrox Primary School helped us launch. The new connected system will significantly improve operational resilience, and in the event of a burst water main, for example, will enable large amounts of water to be transferred in either direction if needed and minimise the impact of that burst on customers. A new pumping station was built here in Broomloan, Glasgow, near Ibrox Football Stadium, and it will be able to push water south for distribution via another pumping station to Ayrshire and East Ren Fisher. In the opposite direction, water from the Braddon water treatment works in South Ayrshire can also be pushed north now to the Mulgai water treatment works supply in Glasgow via pumps east of Kilmarnock. Now, the connecting of the two systems effectively creates one big water network stretching from Loch Braddon in South Ayrshire to Loch Catrin, almost 100 miles away, and boosts Scottish Water's ability to move water between different parts of the country. So what we've done here is significantly improve services in the future for our customers. It really aligns with our long-term strategy, which aims to ensure our services remain sustainable, resilient and affordable in the future.